Looking for habits to improve yourself is not very hard. There's lots of habits that you can choose from. The only problem is that some habits requires a lot of time and patience. And don't get me wrong, it's still well worth it to just explore those type of habits that requires a lot of time. But the other habits that I'm going to talk about in this video are some 10 amazing easy habits that I need you guys to look at. Would you like to know about these 10 amazing habits? Of course you do. I'm going to talk about it right now in this video. Hey, what's going on everyone, and welcome to High Top Life, where you can be inspired, motivated, and self-improved. Our habit shapes our life more than we realize. Our brains cling to them so much that it affects our behavior. It impacts our actions on how we think and how we grow in our journeys. Not all habits are bad. Some habits, if we're not careful, can steer us all down to the wrong path. That's why it's up to us to choose the right habits that can impact our lives. The first thing I want to talk about in this video is making a schedule. Making a schedule for yourself can help you to stay focused, stay on target, and get things done at ease, and make you to use less mental energy. I find that having a schedule can allow you to have more freedom and more time to help you to do whatever you want to do. The goal is not to do a lot of things during the week. The goal is to reduce stress of the things that you do in your daily life. If you don't make a schedule, you are going to forget things and you will backtrack and you start wondering, what do I need to do this week? So that's the importance of making a schedule for yourself. Every Sunday, after I finish eating breakfast, I take out my notepad and write on my schedule every week, starting from the most important to the least important. Number 2, be well organized. Imagine this. I think you guys can relate to the story I'm about to talk to you right now. You get up in the morning, you look at your alarm clock, and you realize that you're very late for work. So you rush to the bathroom, you took a shower, you don't have any time to make any breakfast, so you're grabbing things here and there, you run right through to your door, you went straight to your car, reach into your pocket, and guess what? You forgot your keys. You forgot your keys, so you're pulling out your hair and you're going crazy and yelling to yourself, oh, I could have forgot my keys, oh my God. So you ran back into your house, got your keys, sat down in your car and look at your time and you're like, oh my God, I'm even more late than before. Now here's the same story but a little different. You prepared all your things for the next day before you go to work. You still go to bed on time, but guess what? You got up late again. But this time, you only have to focus on getting to work because everything is prepared for yourself. All you have to do is grab all your things and go. That's the importance of being well organized. If you are a college student, please take my advice. Take out your clothes that you need to wear for the next day, plan all your lunches, organize your books and belongings, put things in specific places so when you get up in the morning, everything clicks in your mind automatically. All you have to do is grab it and go. Number 3, reading more books. Reading books can help you to gain knowledge and help you to elevate yourself in the habits that you're trying to improve upon. Now, not just read any books at all. Just read a book that pertains to you, exactly what you need. For example, I want to gain more money, so I will read a book about passive income, investments, or in starting a business, things like that. Reading books is not only just about gaining knowledge. It can help your mind and your body increase your focus and your concentration. So let me break that down. You open a book, right? Your mind is focusing on the words and all the information that's coming into your mind, right? At the same time, your body is relaxing and adjusted and it feels very good, right? So that's how it works together. Your mind and body works together in unity. On certain levels, on some things, yes, it works a little differently, but when it comes to focusing on something that you really want, you need your mind and your body in unity. Scientific study shows reading more books will make you smarter. So open up your book every now and then and start reading. Number 4, never limit yourself about something that you can learn that can benefit you. We as human beings, we are always curious and learning about different things. There are infinite amount of knowledge in this world, so you should take advantage of it. If you are lacking a certain skill or you want to possess a skill that can help improve you, go ahead and do it. I feel very happy and blessed that we live in an age where technology is at our fingertips that can help you to learn and explore about new skills, right? So we have laptops, we have computers, we have iPads, we have watches that can give us a lot of information and learn about something new. So don't take any of these devices for granted. Use it to your advantage because you don't need to go far to learn something new. You don't need to sit down and watch TV like in the old days. Now you can just take any device and you can just learn. Number 5, practice daily gratitude. can reduce stress and depression, increase your resiliency, and help you to live a long-lasting life. People who are primed with gratitude can easily achieve their goals more than others. For some people, gratitude is very difficult and it should be practiced every day. So you're probably wondering, how do you go about doing that? Well, take out a pen and paper and write down all the things you have done for that day. Repeat the process from Monday to Friday and review all the gratitude and all the good things you have done for that whole week. You will start to notice as you read through your notes and all the good things you have done throughout the whole week that your gratitude keeps getting better and better. Before you know it, you are going to be a very happy person. Number 6, drink water. Drinking water every day is important for your body. How many cups of water should you drink a day? Well, you're supposed to drink 8 cups of water. That's recommended. But if you can drink more water, the more you do, the more healthy you are. Drinking water in the morning can help fuel your brain, can improve your concentration. Cognition helps balance your moods and emotions, increasing blood flow to your brain that gives oxygen and preventing headaches. Finally, drinking water can detox your body, help you to lose weight, promotes a substantial amount of blood flow to your skin, remove all the toxins from your system. I make it a habit to carry a water bottle wherever I go and keeping track of how much water I'm drinking during the day. I encourage you to do so too. Number 7, eating healthy has certainly changed my life forever because I'm very active. My blood pressure went completely down. I have lost weight. My joints and my knee used to hurt, but now it's all loosened up and I don't have that problems no more. Even though I'm eating healthy, I'm exercising daily, which makes me very strong. And you can achieve this by applying it every day, by doing a little by little. If you do a little exercise every day, you will see a big difference in your life. You'll feel and act like a new person. Start cooking more often at home. If you go out every week, you will start to gain weight. You see, when you cook at home, you will see all the ingredients that you put in your food. Some people, when they go out to eat, they don't really notice any ingredients and they don't pay attention of all the food intake. Buying old foods can make you lose weight because it's low in sodium and less unhealthy ingredients. Number 8, sleeping for 7 to 8 hours is needed to help your body to get a full, complete rest. When you get up in the morning, you feel completely energized and you're ready to start your day. If you are sleeping under 7 hours, your body and mind is not going to be rest at all. You will feel tired, change in mood, and you cannot focus for the rest of the day. Whether you are busy or not, it's very critical for you to get the right amount of hours so you can sleep, so your body can operate at full efficiency for the next day. Number 9, waking up early. It's something I really enjoy doing. Whether I'm working or not, I like getting up early every day during the week. The reason why I love doing this, I want to have a full productive day that makes my life meaningful. I like exercising, reading books, getting my chores done, learning something new in the same day. And there's so many things I would love to share with you, but it's practically not enough time in this video. It's a well-known fact that famous people like Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and Steve Jobs like get up early in the morning. The reason why is because that's where they get the most work done, because they're focusing, there's less noise, there's less stress, the mind is all in on what they need to do. Number 10, it's a very small one, but it's very effective. Help others out. Let me talk about myself. I'm a very nice person. I like helping those out in need, whether they want some advice or they want somebody to hang out with. That's the type of person that I am. And I'm not looking for no recognition. I just generally like helping people out, and I feel good about it. Right now you're looking at this video about 10 amazing easy habits. I hope one of those habits can help you out and help you grow as a person. Here are 2 videos that I would like you guys to check out that you can add to your list of habits. How to stay focused and how to be disciplined with less motivation. Click the link, learn something new, elevate yourself. I see you guys there.